Hello everybody, we're back with another video. I know it's been a while. It was a crazy summer this year at the shop, so just became a lot working 12 plus hour shifts and going home trying to edit YouTube videos. So decided to just focus on work. But we're slowing down here a little bit, so I decided to get some more content coming out. This boat just got here. It's a Triton. We're gonna take all the carpet out, redo the upholstery. This customer hasn't decided yet if they're gonna go with new carpet or if we're gonna go with something like Gator Step or Infinity. Gonna decide furthermore with them once we get all this up and kind of see what our base is like down here. Okay, let's take these off. Okay, so gasket goes there, and then that, and then that. Okay. Well, okay, let's try this for a second. Well, usually all the screws and bolts don't come out this easy. Everything's stripped and fucking rusted and broken. But, we're having good luck here so far. But I've been known to speak too soon on jobs, so this wouldn't be the first time if it does happen. Just like with many other projects, boats are one of those things where sometimes you don't know how bad it is till you start taking things apart and looking underneath everything. Okay. What's nice is this customer also cleaned this boat out most of the way. A lot of times you have to set up a fucking table next to the boat just for all the customers' personal items, and you gotta hope that nothing gets misplaced before you give it back to them. Now, if these were all different, like screws and stuff on these hinges, and they weren't the same like this, I would put each individual hardware in a bag and tape it to the actual piece. But since these are all the same, I'm just gonna, I know where they go. So.
high, I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through. Times don't fly too high. Be sure to keep the ground in sight. Fly forever if you keep it tight. Love the world but keep the sky on your mind.
Actually, don't know how they got that in there. Not quite sure. I don't know if they just tuck it or what. Okay, well this spot's gonna take a little bit more investigating. Seems to be tucked in pretty far in there. Might actually have to take something out here, I don't know. We'll find out. We'll just keep working our way back from this corner up again. So once again, we'll grab our screwdriver here and take this fastener off. Just for the sake of not losing stuff, since I'm done right here for now, I'm just gonna put this fastener back in. It's very easy to lose screws and even just get confused when you're doing stuff like this, so you always want to take plenty of pictures, videos, anything you can do to help you remember, because it may be, you know, you may have another job in between this and between finishing this, so could forget all about this damn thing by the time you come back around to it. Just look at how much dirt is caked into this thing. It's horrible. Okay, that's gonna have to come off of there. All right. Well, let's get these brought inside and let's get this last seat out. And then we'll have a little bit more room to work right here. Just want to say thank you everybody who's been watching and all the people who've been commenting and liking. Really appreciate it. If you have any questions or even any tips, I'd love to hear them. Okay, so we are actually going to take this boat inside because it might rain, and I will be working on it for probably the next few weeks. So. Morning, everybody. Snowing this morning, as you can see. Today we're gonna get this Triton all ready for the new flooring to go in. Gonna get all the last of the glue up today. Clean out the hatches for them. Vacuum the glue carpeted hatches up there. Kind of just tidy it up a little bit before we start reassembling. So we'll get started on that. Okay. So we were gonna go to Green Bay to pro-line that formula, but turns out we need to get a measurement and bend and crown a frame for the camper back area. So we'll be doing that, and then we'll get the frame up there probably sometime next week after the holidays and pro-line it then. So definitely take you guys along for that. Rest of the day is just going to be getting the rest of this clean, and then we're gonna do some CAD work on an enclosure for I think it's a 380 Sundancer. I can't remember exactly, but we're gonna do that, and then we'll get some footage of me putting the enclosure together and then Sue sewing it as well. So All right, everybody. Well, that's gonna wrap up this week. It's Wednesday, the 22nd, 23rd. Tomorrow's Thanksgiving, so we are closed the rest of the week. Yep, 22nd. So Monday morning we will finish up cleaning up that Triton. Not much left to do besides just maybe vacuum out the hatches for them. We got the carpet on the way, and then today we plotted out all of the strips and all the pieces for this enclosure we got coming up. Here's some of the windows. So next week we're gonna be putting all this together. We'll walk you guys through a bunch of that. And thank you everybody for watching, and hope you all have a good Thanksgiving, and we'll see you guys next week.